Bonjour and welcome back to my channel. Today is the second day in Paris. So this video is about how to spend 48 hours in Paris. I already uploaded a 24-hour video of how to spend a day in Paris, and this is going to be a follow-up if you're spending 2 days or 3 days in Paris. So on your second day, this is what you probably want to do. So this itinerary for today is a visit to Opera Garnier, which is a beautiful historic opera house in Paris, and then we'll cross the street and go visit Galeries Lafayette, which is one of the most beautiful malls in France. Then we will proceed and visit Musée d'Orsay. So I am at Opera Garnier. It's a very beautiful opera house that you should come and check out when you come to Paris. So it's very cold in April, and we're standing here waiting for entry into Opera Garnier, which opens at 10 o'clock. So I just entered the Opera Garnier. Yeah, this is a very beautiful opera house. So Galeries Lafayette is just around the corner from this opera house. So if you want to come here, I think you can do the Opera Garnier and Galeries Lafayette at the same time. Okay. This place is magnificent. And look at all this decorations. Oh boy, it's elegant. All right, so I just met Nazani here from Italy. So how do you like this place?
No, Zani.
Nazani, right?
Yeah.
How do you like this place?
Very nice.
Very nice. So people should come here when they come to Paris, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It is very amazing. They should come here and see. It is very, very, very nice.
Well, it's opulent. This is magnificent. So you headed from Nazani. All right. Bye.
Yes.
So it's been an amazing day over here at Opera Garnier. I think it's a must place for you guys to when you come to Paris. Just check this out. It's very opulent. It's magnificent. You know. All right, so let's enjoy a little walk the streets of Paris. Gotta put this heat because it's very cold. It's April, so when you come in here in April, just always check the weather forecast because it's just like being in New York or something. You know, it's still early spring and it's windy, it's cold, sometimes it rains. Well, this is Gallery Lafayette. I think there's 3 of them. This is one. There's one over here. And there's one over there. And there's one over here. So this might be where they have the gourmet. So let's go check this out. And then we'll try and visit all the 3. Gourmet session here. Food. Oh, dates. That's good. So if you're hungry, you can come here and just get this French foods. Restaurants over here, you can come sit here and eat. Fish one. Like the seafood. Okay. Oh. So you can pick the crab that you want and they make it for you. Shrimps. So I'm hungry and I came to a person which is an Indian restaurant in Itinerary Lafayette. Let's not try and see how the food tastes and I'll give you a review. I'm hungry, so better review. So we are at Musée d'Orsay or the d'Orsay Museum. This is a must visit for art lovers and travelers alike. Housed in a stunning former railway station on the scene, this museum boasts one of the largest collections of Impressionist and Post-Impressionist art in the world. Come with me as we explore this place. The museum is closed on Mondays. It's open on Tuesday to Sunday from 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. with the exception of Thursday where it closes at 9:45 p.m. These are the facade clocks. They are two large clocks which were part of the original railway station when the building served as Gare d'Orsay. Now they are not just timekeepers but also symbols of Parisian history. From here, you can enjoy stunning views of the Seine River and landmarks like the Louvre, the Toulouse Garden and Sacré-Cœur. This is Edward Manet. Luncheon on the grass. This is Pierre Auguste Renoir City Dance, Country Dance. The Floor Scoopers by Gustave Caillebotte. This is Jean d'Arc by Auguste Rodin. This is Ernest Barriers or Barriers Lenuvian. This is a very beautiful museum. Small light in here, so it makes it more interesting.